Dry ginger powder or Sonth. Dry ginger powder made with organic ginger has a beautiful smell and sharp taste that can never be got with ordinary dry ginger powder. You can very easily make it at home in your microwave. So let's start. To make the dry ginger powder, take fresh ginger, soak it in water for a few minutes to get rid of the dirt, wash it well and then peel it. So the trick to making dry ginger powder fast is by grating the ginger. So let's grate now. So the ginger is now ready to dry. Let's put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll check the exact texture of this ginger. If it is not ready, we'll again put it for another 2 minutes. Repeat this process till you get the actual powdery consistency of the ginger. It looks like the ginger is completely dry and the texture is also powdery. So now let's grind it either in a mixture grinder or blender, or maybe you can use the traditional way, the way I am doing it. So the ginger powder is ready. I prefer to make small batches of dried ginger powder and store it in an airtight container. This way the ginger powder retains the freshness longer. I hope you have liked this recipe. Share your thoughts and comments with me and don't forget to subscribe this channel. One more thing, Beauty's Kitchen is also available on Facebook and Instagram. Follow Beauty's Kitchen over there for latest updates and history. See you on next Tuesday.